Are you looking to gain higher CPM on YouTube? Or do you want to create a channel that becomes a top watched on social media? It is how simple as ABC. If you follow these guidelines given in this video, we are sharing the top trends niches on YouTube which can help you earn more money, gain thousands of loyal subscribers, and make your passion soar. Doesn't it sound good? Well, stay connected with us and get ready to launch your YouTube channel. But before we get into the video, do subscribe to our channel so you can be notified of all the new videos right in your inbox. Well, let's dive into the video. Niche 1. World News Channel. The world is a constantly evolving place and there is always something new going on. If you can keep an eye on ongoing changing global dynamics and you can offer some level of analysis and commentary, this one is the right choice for you. An interest in international relations and current affairs is an essential prerequisite though. Category. This is going to be in the infotainment category where you can showcase news from the world in an authentic fashion. You can also offer various perspectives on developing stories. You will need to create your own area within this niche. Do you want to deconstruct politics or discuss sports? This is totally on you. But our suggestion is to explore and see what the audience wants to see most and stick to that. How does that sound? CPM. Initially, you can gather $15 and go up to earning $40 CPM, which is not bad at all. If you can keep generating content and stay updated with new stories, you are good to go. Views capacity. With this niche, you can expect to gain millions of viewers and followers who will consider you a reliable source of infotainment. So don't hesitate to start your own YouTube journalism career. Top example channels. The best example in this regard is none of them Global News. They are making S100K in just a month. That's crazy. This channel has attained 2.4 million viewers and that should motivate you enough. Competition. Surprisingly, there is no such competition in this niche. You can create your own identity and the content is always available. So you don't have to be so creative here. Just stay in the game. The good part is that there will never be a shortage of content. Isn't that great? Things you need to work on this niche. If you want to host a news channel, you will need a competent scriptwriter, an experienced voiceover artist and video editing software. You will need to develop good research skills and work on tight deadlines as well. Niche 2. Commentary. Are you a highly opinionated person who loves to share their 2 cents with the world? Welcome to heaven because this niche requires you to talk about different aspects and topics which interest you. Remember, you have to cater to the demand of your audience as well. Topics can range from politics, movies, books, etc. Literally anything that tickles your fancy. You can go podcast style or even invite your friends for a fun and engaging interview. Category. This category definitely comes under entertainment as people will drop by your channel when they want a little laugh and want to watch something light to wind up their hectic day. Be sure to provide something interactive and humorous. That is what keeps them coming back. CPM. The average CPM you can anticipate from this niche is about $30 to $50, but once you gain recognition from your unique work, you can really get it going. Views capacity. If you post frequently and provide unique content, you can easily attract thousands of viewers. And you can get millions of views in weeks or even within few days. So don't ramble on, just get to work. Top example channels. Russell Brand may be a celebrity, but you don't have to be one. He has to his credit almost 3 million subscribers and earns $52K monthly. So that should set your mind working on how to keep people hooked. Set up your channel and work on it. Competition. This niche has the potential to grow if you do unique work and curate genuine content. Connect with the viewers and talk about latest debates going on which you might think interest people. You won't find much competition here, so on the ground and play your best shots. Things you need to work on this niche. Not much is required to get started. Just grab a normal smartphone with a good quality mic and camera. You might need a tripod stand to get a stable frame. Other than that, you will receive a basic video editing tool to trim and edit your videos. Number 3. Gossips. Who doesn't love a little gossip here and there? Imagine owning a gossip channel that can even help you out to earn from your gossips. Sounds fantastic, right? You will garner tons of followers who will term you as their gossip guru. Your stories can range from national to international, revolving around trends, topics such as royal families, viral content on social media, celebrity life updates. Just make sure to add clickbait to your videos. Category: gossips entertain people primarily, so it will fall under the category, and you can make the most of it by uploading a casual and cool style, creating vlogs with unique content. You can do interviews, bust myths, discuss hot debates with friends and people from social media who are getting much fame. You can also collaborate with others vloggers for more audiences. CPM: you can make $20 to $30 with spreading gossips. How sneaky is that? Come on, don't think too much. Views capacity: get ready to be bombarded by comments, likes, and views, as this niche offers a very high viewership. You can catch millions of followers in absolutely no time. Top example channels: get all your confusions answered by taking inspiration from Watch News. It has a great number of subscribers and makes about 1K per month. It has a good grade on Social Blade, and you should follow it for gaining daily ideas and insight on your content strategy. Competition: as long as people watching you will know what's the trending viral sensation and what's lit online. You should not care about who else is in the business. Focus on being the go-to person for a Hollywood celebrity news, and you will rise a shine like a star. Things you need to work on this niche: what you need is pretty simple: a voiceover artist with a nice accent, plus a well-written, engaging script. That's all. Then you just put everything together and voila! A beautifully crafted piece of art is created. Niche 4. Food recipes. Food, and more food. Food is the ultimate love. This is also the one of the most watched YouTube videos. So why not to indulge ourselves into the scrumptious food business, and that too online? And you don't even have to sell food itself. You just create something remotely appetizing, admire it while you cook, give it a fancy name, and eat it afterwards. Sounds epic. Yeah, come on, refill your kitchen pantry and bring out the foodie in you. Category: not only will foodies be fond of your channel, but also newly married couples starting their own kitchen, adults who have moved out, mothers, youngsters, literally just everyone who likes food. So your potential audience is going to be diverse. You can offer some serious innovations in this how-to niche, like 6 ways to consume eggs in the morning or 5 different chicken cheese pastas. Oh, it sounds so yummy, I'm already tempted. CPC: it will help you to grow within few weeks, and you can receive S40 to S50 CPM on average. You just have to keep consistent and make interactive content. Not too difficult, now is it? Views capacity: it can gain thousands of viewers in much less times if you choose this niche for turning your passion for cooking into something greater. Top example channels: you must have come across bite-sized videos put by the Tasty. They have recipes from around the globe for every snacks. How did they do this? With sheer passion for food, and you can too. Social Blades claim that they have 20 million subscribers and almost 198K earnings per month. Competition: to stay unique, offer unusual food combinations, recipes of different cuisines, easy ones for children's, meal planning for working people. Things you need to work on this niche. Everything you need you probably already have. Yes, trust us, you can create visually appealing food-related videos within just your phone and mic. Simple as that. Niche 5. Diet planner. Weight loss, muscle gain, dieting, intermittent fasting, healthy eating, all these topics are popular searches around social media. People are becoming more and more health conscious, and you can create a platform where you can offer simple meal planning, diet charts, and informative videos. Yes, you can be the nutrition consultant on your YouTube with a few simple ideas. Ready? Keep watching. Category: it falls under how-to videos, as you must have come across on YouTube. How to lose belly fat in 5 days, how to quit sugar fast, and the list goes on. It is also super easy to create content on this niche, as there are plenty of topics to explore. Just stock up on research. CPM: Would you believe if I told you that you can earn $50 to $80 in a short span of your upload if you upload many self-help and diet tips and tricks? Yes, why not? You can also become a much watched channel with the hard work and persistence, views capacity. You can attract thousands of people to flock to your channel in anticipation of the awesome information and helpful content you bring to them. Make sure your content is thoroughly researched and you really know what you are saying. Top example channel. Lacy Bear is making the YouTube world go crazy with her simple and easy life hacks for a healthier living. She has gathered 255K subscribers and earning as 3K per month. Isn't that amazing? You can too if you are into making money through something you love doing. Competition. To make your content varied and interesting, talk about different types of diets, share secret to flawless body and daily workouts. You will score against any competition. If you are really keen and motivated, things you need to work on this niche. You just require an ordinary mobile phone with a working mic and camera to capture your shots. Afterwards, edit the video to make them ready for viewers. That's it. Sounds easy, right? To keep receiving helpful videos like this, stay tuned and give us a thumbs up if you like the video.